In this lesson, we want to teach the workplane setting. In the previous lessons, we learned how to change, move, or rotate the workplane with this workplane option and with the coordination manager. But the side button shows more setting, as you can see. We open it and make it a little bigger to explain its option one by one. The first active option in this list is a locked workplane. This means that the special options at the top of the list are turned off. The following options are for aligning the grids workplane with the coordination axis. For example, align to X or align to Y or align to Z. The direction of workplane is important because when an object or command important software scene is placed on the workplane. For example, we align to X and import a cube or coin or a curve or null. As you can see, it puts on a workplane. But the main align is aligned to Y mode. It's the main mode of the software workplane. Align workplane to selection mode to transfer it to the selected object axis. For example, we raise this cube a little and run the command. The workplane is moved to the center of the axis, object axis. Selection to the workplane used to move selected object to the workplane. For example, we move a cube a little higher and execute the command, and the object is moved vertically to the workplane. Note that the center of the object is important and align this workplane. Planar workplane. This mode, as you can see, the lock workplane turn off when we select the planar workplane. The lock workplane turn off. By moving the camera in a different direction, the workplane placed on X or Y on Z axis. Camera workplane mode. To understand this, we create a camera. As you can see, with this symbol, you can enter or exit the camera. Enable a camera mode. As you can see, it was created exactly perpendicular to the camera and in the front of it. For example, we insert a cube and click Y workplane mode and exit the camera. As you can see, the cube is located exactly in the front of the camera and its view. Okay, back to normal. Axis workplane mode. When active, click on any object, the workplane is transferred to the object axis. It's very interesting, even on the axis of the polygon point or line. First, note that the direction of the workplane is perpendicular to the y-axis. And when you click on any object, the workplane goes exactly on the same direction. For example, when we choose a polygon, and you can see its direction or a point line, when we activate the axis workplane mode, as you can see, the y-axis is its direction. Interactive workplane mode. In this case, by moving the mouse over on each polygon axis, it is exactly aligned. But unlike the previous mode, it corrects the axis direction. Okay, that is all about the workplane modes. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.